5 free AI tools. People are using them right now, today, to make real money online. No experience, no degree, no startup cash. Just the right tools and the knowledge of how to use them. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start. Making money online sounds simple, until you actually try. You search for side hustles. You find 100 gurus, dropshipping, crypto, blogging. They all promise results. And somehow, you end up 3 weekends deep with nothing to show for it. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. The opportunities are real. They've always been real. The problem is, most people are showing up to a new game with old tools. AI changed everything. And the wildest part? The best tools are completely free. You just need to know which ones to use. So, let's get into it. 5 tools, real money, starting right now. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Yeah, you've heard of it. Most people have. But most people are barely using 10% of what it can do. ChatGPT writes, it brainstorms, it codes, it researches. Give it the right prompt, and it produces professional quality content in seconds. The free version is powerful. GPT 4.0 is now on the free tier. That matters. Fiverr and Upwork are full of people paying good money for blog posts, product descriptions, email sequences, and social media captions. These are things ChatGPT can help you produce in minutes. You don't need to be a writer. You need to know how to prompt well, guide the AI, polish the output, deliver. A small business owner needs 10 product descriptions for their Etsy shop. They'll pay anywhere from $50 to $150 on Fiverr. You use ChatGPT to produce them in under an hour. Make a few edits, deliver. That's leverage. And that's just one use case. ChatGPT handles the writing, but writing alone doesn't make a video. Tool number 2 takes things visual, and it is a serious moneymaker for anyone who knows how to use it. Canva. You probably know it as a design app, but Canva AI is something different. The free plan now has tools that cost hundreds of dollars just a few years ago. Generate images from text, resize and restyle designs automatically, remove backgrounds in one click, build entire presentation decks from a sentence. No design experience required. Every small business, every content creator, every coach out there needs logos, thumbnails, social posts, flyers, pitch decks. Most of them can't afford a professional designer. That's your opening. Sell social media packages on Fiverr. Sell digital templates on Etsy or Gumroad. Build a retainer with a local business. A fitness coach wants 5 branded Instagram post templates. You open Canva, use the AI tools, tweak the fonts, export editable files. Charge $80 to $200. Done in an afternoon. Build a few template packs and you can sell them over and over. One design, unlimited sales. That's passive income. Love that. Now, writing and visuals covered. But here's the real question. What if you could take a written script and turn it into a complete, ready-to-upload video automatically? That's exactly what tool number 3 does. Tool number 3, Pictory AI. This one is a game changer for anyone trying to build a faceless YouTube channel. It takes a written script, or even just a blog post, and turns it into a full video, automatically. You paste in your script. Pictory matches each section with relevant stock footage. It adds captions. It adds music. The result is a polished, ready-to-publish video. No camera, no editing software, no video production skills. You never have to appear on screen. Faceless YouTube channels are one of the biggest opportunities in the creator economy right now. Channels covering finance, true crime, history, AI, self-improvement. They earn ad revenue and affiliate income without the creator ever showing their face. Pictory is the engine that makes it possible. Write the script with ChatGPT. Generate a voiceover with ElevenLabs, which is tool number 4. Feed everything into Pictory. Upload to YouTube. That's a complete monetizable video, built almost entirely with free AI tools. You start a faceless channel covering AI news. Every week you post one video. ChatGPT writes the script. ElevenLabs voices it. Pictory builds the video. After 6 months, you hit the YouTube Partner Program threshold. Now the channel earns while you sleep. That's the play. Speaking of voiceovers, I mentioned ElevenLabs. Let's talk about it, because this tool is quietly one of the most powerful income generators on this list. ElevenLabs, AI voice generation. And I want to be clear, this is not the robotic text-to-speech from 10 years ago. These voices sound real, genuinely convincing, the kind that makes you do a double take. You type in text, you choose a voice. It generates a professional quality voiceover in seconds. Dozens of voices available, different accents, different tones. The free plan gives you solid monthly credits to work with. Voiceover work is everywhere. Explainer videos, podcast narrations, ads, YouTube videos, e-learning courses. Businesses pay for this. Creators pay for this. And most of them don't want to record it themselves. That's where you come in. You can sell voiceover services on Fiverr right now, today, before you even finish this video. A startup needs a 90-second explainer video voiceover. They'll pay $50 to $150 for a professional narrator on Fiverr. You generate it with ElevenLabs in 20 minutes. Deliver it. Move on to the next order. Stack a few orders a week. That's real income from a free tool. Incredible. Now, tool number 5 is for anyone who wants to offer a higher ticket service. We're talking the kind of work that local businesses will pay serious money for, and you can deliver it in under a minute. Tool number 5, Durable AI. Durable is an AI website builder, and not in the way you're thinking. This thing builds a complete, professional business website in about 30 seconds. 30 seconds. You tell Durable what type of business it's for. It generates the full website. Copy, layout, images, contact forms. Everything. Done. In under a minute. The free plan lets you build and publish. No coding, no design skills, nothing. Here's where this gets really good. Millions of local businesses, plumbers, barbers, cleaners, personal trainers, restaurants, don't have a website. Or they have one that looks like it was built in 2009. They know they need one. They just don't know how to get it done. And they don't want to pay agency prices. You walk in, you open Durable, you build their site in 30 seconds. They watch it happen. Then you charge $300 to $1,000 for setup and potentially a monthly management fee on top. This isn't a side hustle. This is a business. You reach out to 10 local businesses in your area with no website or a bad one. You offer to build them a professional site for $500. 3 of them say yes. That's $1,500. You used Durable. The whole thing took a few hours. And if they want monthly updates, that's recurring income every single month. 5 tools, all free, all proven. Now let's talk about what you actually do with this information, because knowing and doing are 2 very different things. Let's recap. Fast. ChatGPT, freelance writing, copywriting, content creation. Free. Canva AI, design, templates, passive income. Free. Pictory AI, script to video, faceless YouTube channel. Free. ElevenLabs, voiceovers, real income from a real service. Free. Durable AI, professional websites for local businesses. High ticket. Free. 5 tools, $0 to start. Now here's what I need you to hear. AI is not replacing people. It is replacing people who don't use AI. That's not a scare tactic. That's what's already happening. Freelancers who use these tools are working faster, charging more, and winning more clients. The ones who aren't, they're losing ground every single day. You watched this video for a reason. Don't let it be just another tab you close and forget. Pick one tool from this list, just one. Spend 1 hour with it today. Not tomorrow, today. That's all it takes to start moving. If this video gave you something real, hit that like button. It takes 1 second and it genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe if you haven't already. I post every week. AI tools, side hustles, practical ways to make money online. No fluff, no gimmicks, just things that actually work. And drop a comment below. Tell me which tool you're starting with. or tell me which one you want a full deep dive video on. I read every comment, every single one. The tools are free, the knowledge is yours. Now go use